Hey Fluttermates, welcome to Dave IDs with me. So today we have got something super exciting to explore, and that is generating a AI image from text prompt right here in Flutter. Yes, right. We are not gonna using any third-party package or plugin for that. We are simply using the Stable Diffusion API to create a stunning image from text, which you can use in different scenario in your application, like generating a profile, generating any avatar or anything like that. So before starting the video, let's hit the subscribe button. So first let's talk about what is Stable Diffusion API. So basically Stable Diffusion API provides us many functionality which is AI based, such as we can generate a image from text, then we can generate an image from image, then we can crop any images, remove any background and many more functionality. But today we are going to be exploring the generation part. So let's get started with it. So first you have to visit the stability.ai website. In that you have to click on get started with API section. Here you can find text to image, image to image and many functionality, but we will go to the documentation section. In that we will choose the REST API, and in REST API there is a section V1 generation. So here you will find text to image API. This is the URL of image. This is the body parameter for post method, and here are some parameters that you can check, like whatever the value we are going to be passing to this variable, the image will be generated based on that. So let's check out. And yeah, before moving to our Flutter project, you will have to create your account in stability.ai, and you have to generate your API key from here, because we are going to be using this API key in authorization section to generate the images. So let's start with our Flutter code. Okay, so I already did the code for it. You can find the whole code in my GitHub repository. Link will be in the description section. So let me explain the code for you. So let's first start with the main file. So in main file, I have created one text field which will take the user input, what will be the text prompt. Then below that I have taken one elevated button, in which I am calling the method convert text to image, which is just my API call. And I took a one variable to showing a loader on the screen. So that's my code for main file. Let's go to the API file. Okay, so in convert text to image method, what I did was first I created one variable, that is the image data, because in Stable Diffusion API response I am getting the image in byte data format. That's why I declared this variable as a uint it list. Now this is my base URL, and this is the whole URL that you find from the Stability AI API docs. Now this is my header section, in which in authorization you have to pass the API key which you have generated in Stability AI website. Now this is my body, what parameter I have passed. So first one is the obviously the text prompt that user has inputted, and I pass some of the parameter like what will be the width of the image, what will be the height of image. Okay, so after that I am checking the status code. If status code is 200, then I am navigating to the next screen with the generated image. If not, then I am showing a common dialog box indicating that it is failed to generate the image. So let's go to the second screen. So in second screen, I am getting the image from the response, and I am showing it image into the image.memory widget, because we are getting the image in the byte format. And I'm showing just 3 random button below my image to look UI good. So now let's run this. Okay, so as you can see, our application is ready to test. So let's try with some text prompt. Let's say I want to generate a oil painting of a dog. Let's see what it generates. It takes some times to fetch the image from the server. So till we are waiting, you guys can subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you find it helpful till now. So let's wait for some more time what it generates. Not bad, right? Let's try with some another prompt. Let me check again. Okay, this time I want to create some street let's say cyberpunk of Japan with some realistic streetlights. Let's see what it generates. So basically it's all about the prompt. What exactly prompt you are giving to the AI, it will generate the image based on that. Amazing. I'm definitely gonna use this as my screensaver. Doesn't it look cool? Let me know your reviews also in the comment section. So that's it from Stability AI, but there is a icing on the cake. If you don't want to use stable diffusion technique, then there is a more free APIs available such as Lexica, ChatGPT API, which allow you to generate images from the text prompt. So experiment with it, play around with it, and see what kind of unique images you can generate. You can also share that image with me on my Instagram channel. And yeah, that's it for today's episode. Don't you think you forgot something? Like the video if you find it helpful and hit the notification bell so you won't forget any update from my channel in the future. See you in the next one. Bye.